Papa Dada. Papa Dada.
Trisha, where is Sanit, Trisha? Where is Sanu? Is he in office? Yeah, that is his photograph. But where is Sanu? Yeah, that is his photograph. But where is Sanu? Is he in office? I think so. He's in office. Yeah. And how was your day at the creche? Ah, you met Aja. Did you do mum? You didn't do mum? Okay. And did you meet Adya? Adya? What happened? Bittu? Bittu? No. No Bittu. Okay, no Bittu. Okay. Do you want to see? Do you want to see George? George? You want mum? Okay, I'll give you mum.